Hi friends, welcome to the tutorial series on SAP BTP. Many of us have already heard this trending terminology naming SAP BTP. Some of you might already know about SAP BTP at high level, while some of SAP as well as non-SAP professionals still wonder what SAP BTP is. And we all are hearing this term quite a bit. So in this video, let's learn about SAP BTP at high level. Obviously, this video is gonna theoretical or rather conceptual one. So if anyone is already aware about these concepts, then they can switch to our other hands-on videos on the topics like SAP BTP, SAP BTP workflow or SAP HANA Cloud. And rest, please stay with me. We will keep this video short and will understand the topic in simple terms. Alright, so before starting with SAP BTP, it will become more appropriate to know about cloud technology first, because that will help us to understand the need or force behind the SAP BTP. Well, we all are aware the fact that today cloud technology is not just benefiting businesses, but the cloud has changed our lives as individual as well. Consider first example at individual user level. Every day, many of us are using cloud-based services very frequently, be it using video streaming platform to watch the web series, or social media platform to post photos, or online storage for storing online files, or be it online billing and shopping and whatnot. So all this consumption shows we are using applications hosted on the cloud. Now consider second broader example, that is at the business or industry level. World is changing at a very fast pace for businesses, and it is forcing companies to respond quickly. So organizations are investing heavily on their cloud roadmap, and many of them have already adopted cloud solutions. In short, businesses need a platform that will provide all the necessary services and products to make appropriate decisions considering innovation and transformation. Now here comes SAP BTP, that is SAP Business Technology Platform. It is one such platform with which companies can accelerate their processes, innovate, scale, drive business agility, and can reduce costs. So SAP BTP provides the technical foundation for businesses. Alright, now we are aware about the importance of SAP BTP. But this is not just enough when you try to learn about SAP BTP at high level. This will only get accomplished after knowing what is SAP BTP, what are the advantages of SAP BTP, what are the offerings of SAP BTP, what are the use cases, what are the services, and in the last, getting started with SAP BTP, in which we will check which are the different ways to actually start the hands-on on the SAP BTP. But in this video, that is first part of SAP BTP introduction, we will only focus on what SAP BTP is and its advantages. The rest of the things we will cover in the subsequent videos. So the full form of SAP BTP is Business Technology Platform. Initially, this cloud platform was known as SAP Cloud Platform, that is SAP CP or SCP. But in 2021, SAP rebranded it to SAP Business Technology Platform, that is SAP BTP. Basically, SAP BTP is a set of technologies that enables businesses to transform data into value. Further, SAP BTP offers many solutions like databases, analytics, integration, programming tools, and data warehouses. And customers can use these solutions to fulfill their business requirements without any complexity in building the applications and maintaining any infrastructure. So this is very good point to consider. To summarize in short, SAP BTP is a platform as a service. Alright, so that is in brief about SAP BTP. Now let's check the advantages of SAP BTP. First advantage is integration. SAP BTP integrates SAP, non-SAP and third-party solutions to provide seamless data exchange between all the business processes. It also enables on-premise application, cloud-based application, and any other processes to be seamlessly connected to the infrastructure of the service to provide the real-time updates. That means SAP BTP is in trends with the current technology, wherein the customer or the businesses are demands more insight and the more need to show them the real-time data. Next advantage is data into value. BTP converts data into value, which helps to achieve visibility in applications and data sources so as to optimize and grow the business. Next one is pre-built solution. BTP allows organization to take advantages of pre-built services, data models, workflows, integration and APIs which are available readily for multiple business areas. Next one is very important, that is new technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence are embedded in the platform along with real-time analytic solutions that will help an organization in making more accurate and the faster decisions. Also, SAP BTP is always synced with the latest changes in the market and it responds quickly to grab new business opportunities. Perfect. That's all in this video. In the next video, we will check the offerings, use cases, services of SAP BTP and we'll also check what are the different ways to start with the SAP BTP. So we will stop here. Thank you and happy learning.